Hey guys, Vineet here, and today we are in another place, another port or another city in Norway. Today I am in Alesund. I already had a vlog about this, and look at the thing. Right now it's 8:30 in the morning, and we have sunrise here, and this looks really beautiful when it comes to the beauty. So I am like already I came in the mountain. It's a bit heighted, like 400 stairs. So guys, since we are here, I want to make up my very first picture in Alesund for this time. So it's a kind of, you can see like it's kind of sunrise here right now with Ida Bella and with nice beautiful this landscape of the city. So I will try to make a picture. Really nice. I like these colors like purple and all because it's like really sunrise movement for us. I know it's very late for sunrise, but it looks really amazing. Maybe I can click second picture already. The second picture will be like with this yellow building, if you can see. Oh, this looks nice. So yeah, these are our two pictures from this. Now we will try to go a bit more up. So these are the stairs. I want to go up and I want to click one picture from there as well. We are going up. I think it's a lot of stairs, but the view is beautiful, so it's okay. So we cross around 367 stairs and we are going up. Let's see how many more. I think there are 400 stairs that I know. Last time I remember it's around 400, but we are almost there. Clicking pictures in the beautiful place is not that easy. Guys, I finally reached in the top of this mountain of Ålesund, and then the view is this. Are changing very fast because of the morning, so I will try to click a picture with my camera. It's a bit whitish, but it's okay. I like it. If I zoom, I can click this building. Yeah, so these are the two pictures we have. So guys, finally I saw things, and now I'm going down. Two more places to click more pictures. It was very beautiful from up, but it's very windy. So guys, I was going down, but the sun just came, and then the look is very beautiful now with the sun. Now it looks more alive, so I will try to click one more picture here. Yeah, it looks nice with the sun, and then when the rays are going to the city, it looks very beautiful. So I will go down and click more. Yeah, okay. So this view is very beautiful. But it's very windy and I'm going back, but I got a nice picture. I found a place like when we were going down, and this looks very nice, and I want to click this picture. This is the view. Can you go more forward? Yeah, so this is the view. This looks very beautiful. So I will go down and click one more picture. This is the view. This is the view. This looks very nice, and I want to click this picture. This is the view. This is the view. This looks very nice, and I want to click this picture. Yeah, go. Thank you. So we got one more frame. So guys, there's one more picture like this telephone booth I saw with the tree, and I want to click a picture of that. I think it looks very beautiful. So we can pass by, we can move forward. Guys, finally we are down and we are in this famous place for this building, this yellow building you can see from the mountain when I was clicking the picture. And that's what I wanted to tell you guys, like it's so easy to get famous or something. This building is very famous because of the color. So this is the only building with the yellow color. So when you go in the mountain, this building directly catch your eye, and that's how it works. The small here and there are so many buildings, but all are white or blue or dark color. They decide to have nice yellow color, and this is the hotel Alesund. And I want to click one more picture here because it's really nice color. Nice. So I have this picture finally from this building and I like it. So guys, while walking I found this beautiful church from Alesund, and I want to click one more picture here. I think I like this photo. This is really nice. The only problem, like just a small tip here, the only problem was this pole. So I came a bit forward. So when you see something like this in your picture, you can just move a bit forward or just try a different angle. And then now I don't have this pole and I have a picture without it. So you can always think like there's a, like my faculty where I was learning photography, they used to say the difference between amateur photographer and professional photographer is like there's only one difference for them, that like professional photographer always look for background and foreground both, and amateur photographer they don't look for that. So if you really want to work for photography, you have to see this, that like there's extra element what you can remove. Don't wait for Photoshop, just remove it. It will help you in the long run. This city is surrounded with the river, and there are really nice buildings and you can see boats and everything. And I saw this area with these two houses. So one house is in red and one is in the white. Contrast is so much in this picture because they are like shadows are coming from other buildings because of sun, and the contrast is really nice. So that was my series guys for Alesund. I clicked some nice pictures. I really loved it from the mountain. So and we came down, we saw the nice hotel, and now we are finishing this series here. I hope you like the pictures. If you like it, please let me know in the comments, and we will see us in the next video very soon.